Have you been wondering how to get those cool virtual backgrounds in Zoom? You can transport yourself to the office, the beach, or even outer space. You can also have live video as a virtual background. It's actually pretty easy. Stick around. I'll show you how. Welcome back to my channel. I'm stephstorm. In this video, I'm going to show you how to have a Zoom dance party with great quality sound and an easy, inexpensive virtual background. So keep watching. First, decide on an image that you want to use. You can use your own pictures, the built-in virtual backgrounds that come with Zoom, or you can find a free image online. A great resource for free images and video is pexels.com. Once you're in the Pexels website, type in the search box for whatever kind of image you want to use. As an example, I'll type in City Night. Here, it brings up lots of images to choose from. Another category that you might type in is beach. As you can see, they have seashores, sunsets, and many other images to choose from. After you pick an image, click on it. Then go over to the green download button. Before you click that, choose the drop-down arrow next to it so that you can see the sizes of the pictures. Not all sizes are supported by Zoom, so I clicked medium to be safe, and it works. If you're finding this video helpful so far, please press the thumbs up button. If you've already subscribed to my channel, thank you. If not, please consider subscribing now so that you won't miss my future videos. Now I want to show you how to get your image into Zoom. When you open your Zoom app, press New Meeting. At the bottom left, where it says Start Video, you'll want to click the drop-down arrow. Choose Virtual Background. This is where you will see that there are some built-in images that already come with Zoom. But to access the one that you have just downloaded from pexels.com, just click the plus sign. Your image is stored on your computer in the Downloads folder. Simply click on it, and now it's in your Zoom app. At the bottom of this same screen, you'll see a button that says, I have a green screen. Go ahead and click that. In this example, I don't have a green screen behind me, and you can see that I'm going in and out of the background. Now you can use a virtual background or a virtual image without using a green screen, but if you do, you have to sit very still in front of your camera, or else you will start ghosting in and out of your background. Now, since we want to have a dance party on Zoom, we want to be able to move about freely, keep our background steady, and stay visible. Now I want to show you those same exact steps, but this time my daughter has a green screen behind her, and you will be able to see the difference of how her background shows up and she stays visible in the foreground. Here's a better view of her moving around. With the green screen, it's not necessary to go out and invest hundreds of dollars in a professional green screen unless you plan on being a movie producer. You can do what we did. We simply went to the dollar store and picked up some sheets of neon green poster board. We taped them all together, put them up on the wall, made sure we had some covering the sides, and there's our hack for an easy, affordable green screen. I mentioned earlier that you could use live video as a virtual background. If your computer will support it, it will give you that option when you press the plus sign. My laptop does not support it, but my desktop does, so it just depends on your device. The next tip is to show you how to have great quality sound for your music and still be able to see your guests while you share your screen. For this step, we use two different devices. The first computer is where you will see and interact with your guests. The second device is the host computer, and that's where your music will play from. You can even rename the device DJ. With both computers logged into Zoom, click on the More button next to your name. Click Make Host. This will be the device that your music plays from. Now watch here and look at how easy it is to follow these steps. At the bottom of the host screen, click on Share Screen. Then click the screen where your music playlist is located. You could be using iTunes, Spotify, etc. Go up to the top and click Advanced. Then choose Share Music Only. Now you can see your playlist and manage the volume without your guests viewing it on a shared screen. This also means that through your other device, you can still see your guests and have conversation with them while the music is playing. Here's an important tip. Remember to mute the host computer to avoid feedback and echo. This is something that generally happens when you have two devices on the same Zoom meeting and they're sitting side by side. You are ready for your next dance party on Zoom. My daughter hosted a ladies' night. This is a great way for single people to stay safe at home and still be connected with their friends. Each guest had their own virtual themed background with snacks to go along with their theme. They had so much fun, laughing, talking, and of course, dancing. This video is part of a series, Entertaining at Home, so be sure to go back and check out my other videos. I hope this video helped to simplify the process of using some of the advanced features on Zoom. Now you don't have to wonder anymore, how is everybody getting those cool backgrounds? I want a virtual background too. Now you know how to do it. I hope you will come back next week for more videos, tips, and tricks on entertaining, organizing, and event planning. I post new videos every week. I'm Steph Storm, and you'll see me next time.